This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use a headshot file in Pubg. Start by locating your Pubg installation folder and the player profile assets subfolder, then find the avatar or portrait file name used by the game. Make a backup copy of the original file, then replace it with your prepared headshot image, matching the required dimensions and format. Launch the game and check your profile to confirm the new headshot displays correctly. Create a clean headshot using simple editing tools so it looks natural in-game. Choose the correct aspect ratio, usually square or 16:9 depending on the slot, and resize to match Pubg expected pixels. Remove backgrounds if needed and check the color balance for good visibility. Export the image as PNG or JPG and keep the file name identical to the original avatar file so the game recognizes and loads your new headshot without errors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. For those marathon sessions, I love leak-proof meal prep containers that keep snacks secure and avoid sticky keyboards while you play. They stack neatly and seal tightly so your headset and mouse stay clean. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more practical gaming gear suggestions, let me know. Now let's get back to the video. Always close Pubg and any related launcher before editing files to prevent corruption. Use File Explorer to navigate to the Player Assets folder, then paste your prepared headshot file over the original after confirming your backup. Check file properties to ensure read permissions are set and avoid altering other game assets. Relaunch the game and inspect your profile or lobby avatar area to verify the replacement worked and appears as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.